Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to create WhatsApp stickers in very simple method.
Before starting this video, please subscribe to my channel for getting notifications of my all upcoming this sort of technical videos.
First of all, you have to install an application from Google Play Store named Sticker Maker. The interface of this application you can see on your screen. I already installed this application, so simply I open it. When you open this application, you have to tap on create a new sticker pack and now enter your first name and last name here. For example, I write my YouTube channel name How to Tech and now tap on create button. Here you can see that a folder has been created with the name of how to. Now tap on this folder. Here you will see different pictures. Now tap on picture number 1. Here are different options. Open your mobile gallery. Allow the permission. Now select any picture from your mobile gallery. For example, I select a picture of a actress. Now it is loaded. Simply tap on Smart Select to erase the background of this picture. When you tap on Smart Select, background will be removed automatically. Now if you want to add any text on this sticker, so you can add by tapping on add text. For example, I write here how are you. Now you can change the color of this text and you can change the font of this text by tapping on T button. As I did, you can see on your mobile screen. Now if you want to give any outline to this picture, so tap on outline and select the color for outline of this picture. Now tap on save stickers. You can see that picture number 1 has been created as a sticker. Now tap on add to WhatsApp and wait for a few seconds. An advertisement will be run in front of you. This advertisement will be 5 seconds. So wait and now tap on cross button top of this advertisement. Now tap on WhatsApp. Now this application will ask would you like to add how to WhatsApp. So tap on add button to add this folder to WhatsApp. Now go back and open your WhatsApp and open any chat on which you want to send this sticker. Now tap on type message and simply tap on emoji button and now you can see that your sticker has been created. Tap on this sticker to send the sticker on your desired contact number. As you can see on your screen that this sticker has been sent on my desired contact number. In this way you can create the WhatsApp sticker very easily, and if you find any sort of difficulty to create new WhatsApp sticker, so you can comment me. I will try my best to answer you. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.